Hello, Lakers! Welcome to Note-Taking Level Up, a quick guide to help you improve your note-taking skills and make studying a little smoother. Today I'm going to walk you through 3 different note-taking styles, each matched to different kinds of lectures. And at the end, I'll show you how to connect with academic support if you'd like to personalize your approach for your specific courses. Let's dive in. We'll start with traditional note-taking. This is the format most people have seen before, using bullet points, headings, and indents. It works best during structured lectures where the professor speaks clearly and uses transitional words like next, also, or finally. Those transition words are your signal to move to a new bullet point or subpoint. They act like guideposts to help you follow the flow of information. The key here is to listen carefully and actively. You're building an outline as the lecture progresses, so use spacing, symbols, or bolding to keep yourself organized. Next up is a modern twist on Cornell-style note-taking, adapted for PowerPoint-based lectures. Traditionally, Cornell notes are written on paper, with a wide margin on the side for questions and a summary at the bottom. But when professors use slides, and especially if they give you those slides ahead of time, there's a way to modify this method. Here's what you do. Download or copy the slides into a format you can edit, like OneNote, Google Slides, or even PowerPoint. Then, during the lecture, write on and beside the slides, jotting down extra examples, questions, and your clarifications. This lets you capture what's on the slide and what's beyond the slide. Just keep in mind, this method only works if you have the slides in advance. So don't hesitate to ask your professor if they can share their slides ahead of time. Our last method is mind mapping, a flexible, visual way to take notes. This one is especially helpful if your professor teaches through storytelling or open discussion rather than following a strict outline. Start by writing your main topic in the center of the page. Then, as ideas come up, draw branches connecting those concepts, keywords, or themes. You're mapping the connections in real time, even if the lecture jumps around a bit. This is great for courses that encourage you to make links between big ideas like psychology, history, and philosophy. Don't worry if it looks messy, that's part of the process. No matter which method you use, here's the most important step. Review your notes. Within 24 hours of the lecture, sit down and write out 1 to 2 summary sentences for each slide, page, or major section. This helps lock in the content and makes it so much easier when it's time to review for your test. You're not rewriting your notes, you're pulling out the takeaways. This puts your notes into a ready-made study guide. It means your notes might need a bit of filling in, and it brings me to the last point. We're here to help in academic support. If you'd like someone to look at your notes with you, give you feedback, or help you find the best method for your learning style, book an appointment with us. You can scan the QR code on the screen or visit our academic support webpage. You'll work with me or one of our other student learning coordinators, and we're here to support you through all the note-taking, studying, and paper writing that you have ahead. Thanks for watching Note-Taking Level Up, and try out one of these methods this week and see what works for you. Happy studying, and I hope to see you soon.